Hello knitters and makers, Lesley from Knit Graffiti here. And today I wanted to chat with you about a fiber festival where I'm teaching 1 week from today, March 13th and 14th, 2026, called Brazos Valley Fiber Fest. So this is their second festival. I also taught at their first ever Fiber Fest last year. So I'm super excited and honored to be teaching there again this year. If you want to check it out, all of the links will be in the description below. So if you want to check it out, register for some classes. I'll be teaching 3 workshops, 2 sessions of beginner brioche, which are on Friday and Saturday mornings, and then 1 class called fixing and finishing brioche, which is, as you guessed it, all about my tips and tricks for how to fix mistakes. And then obviously beginner brioche is perfect for anybody who wants to learn my absolute favorite technique in the entire world. We'll be learning 2-color brioche knit in the round. So it'll be something like this. This is my brioche meow hat, which is a very good beginner brioche pattern. We'll be knitting something similar to this. Just a 2-color brioche in the round is a fantastic way to learn. So I hope to see you there. Also, next week, I'll be releasing a brand new cowl pattern, which I'm wearing right here, called Moonlit Jellies. As you can tell, it's inspired by Stardew Valley, my very favorite video game, as well as the yarn that I used, which is by the knitting artist, hand dyed by Lisa Urban, who was one of the board members for Brazos Valley Fiber Fest. So if you're going there, they will have a booth there, and kits are going to be available with the yarn that I used, as well as I think 1 or 2 other color combos. You can probably also pick out your own combos, and you can actually see like how much this yarn glows. So the main color is called Green Sea Tears, and the contrast color, which is this beautiful purple and kind of pinky reds, is called Hallowed Infinite Contemplations. And all of her colorways are, at least these colorways, are inspired by Lisa's paintings. She's also an artist. So, and her art depicts kind of these interesting knit jellyfish. So that's kind of what I was going for with this motif here. Wanted them to look kind of like jellyfish. And they have sort of these little faux brioche cables, which are super fun to make. So this will be available starting next week. It will be on Ravelry and knitgraffiti.com. And then you can also get kits from the knitting artist if you're interested in trying out their yarn. It is so delightful to work with. So yes, let me know if you're going. Let me know if you're going to be there. I would love to see you. There is still space in my workshops. So if you want to sign up, I hope to see you there. Thank you so much. Bye.